Welcome back, everyone. This is Thomas Triple T Tie with another new bullish crypto analysis. Before we dig in and take a look at Fantom's weekly analysis, remember this is for edutainment only and not to be considered as financial advice. Additionally, when you feel value has been added at any time during this video, feel free to smash the like, ring my bell, hit subscribe if you haven't, and share your thoughts in the comments or on Twitter. And feel free to share with your friends and family who are wanting to learn about quality crypto, or investments. All right, let's dig into the news first. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of news about Fantom this past week, so it's been kind of dry. So we'll just dive right into the chart and take a look. By the way, I hope you like a new background for Fantom. I think it looks pretty cool. All right, this is this is on TradingView for Fantom on the weekly time frame, and currently Fantom's right here with a bearish candle, second consecutive bearish candle in a row for the week, and it retested it was up here when we last did it, bounced down, retested the $1.20 support, broke through it. It came close to the 105 support, but it didn't touch it. It bounced back up to roughly around 118. Let me move this so you can actually see it. Yeah, 118. There you go. And so it's right now it's just under the 120. What was support is now resistance, just right under there. FTM remains bearish, or at least in the bearish trend, because it's under the bull market support band, this grayish, bluish ribbon here. And it's currently between the bottom of the Bollinger Band, which is 70 cents, and the middle basis of the Bollinger Band, which is roughly around $1.80. So it's right in between there. Additionally, I drew in this descending channel that FTM somewhat bounces around, and we'll see if it bounces up this way and comes back down towards this way. It would have to break some support here first, crosses the bottom of the Bollinger Band, and then come down this way. We'll see. Volume continues to diminish, and it's very small. It's below the moving average right here. It's been below except for this week right here. It's been below for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 weeks. Really low volume. And if you look in the past, volume's been pretty decent. The white J line of the KDJ dropped into the lower zone below the K, and the red D lines at 15.35. I gave that a bear. The white MACD line continues to trend down below the red signal line. It was at a negative 0.041, and it's printing the 10th lighter and shorter reddish histogram bar. Notice the curve here. I gave that a bear also. The RSI, the red RSI, the blue CVD, and the white MOM indicators are trending down together. Red RSI was at 44. I gave that a bear right here, dropping down. 44 is below the middle mark, which is 50. The aqua CVD is dropping, and it was at 8.51 million. I gave that a bear. But let's see where that is relative to the everything else. Here's the high at roughly 21.8 million, and here's the bottom over here, negative 349,000. So it's more towards the middle of that range, somewhat more towards the bottom half. Let's see, yeah, more towards the bottom half. And the white momentum indicator, it's registering at negative 0.99. I gave that a bear too, and that's relatively near. This is the bottom here, so it's on the bottom half, tops up here at 2.28, and this is currently at a negative 0.99. So yeah, it's and if you combine all these three here, RSI, CVD, and the MOM with the descending J line of the KDJ and the bearish pattern here, it looks really, really bearish. And so, as a summary, FTM is likely to chop around 120, where it's currently right now. That red line here, that's 120, and it's at what is it? Roughly 117.4, $1.17 roughly, just right below it. It's likely to chop around there, but it's so bearish that it could retest this 105, $1.05 here, and maybe I'll bounce back up again. But if it breaks below, that's really bearish. It would be a really good opportunity to acquire more FTM because it's a fantastic ecosystem. It's just having a rough time right now. So yeah, let's go take a look at some entry levels here. I'll zoom up because they're kind of crushed together, because the FOMO level was the 120 was already from last week. This was the I think it was the FOMO level here, or the sweet spot. Yeah, it was the sweet spot. The sweet spot now is 105. Let me make sure I have. Yeah, the sweet spot here. If you look, it hasn't been back to 105 in like the last time it went here was back in March the 14th. Let's see here, 105. But before that, it was, you have to go way back here. This is around December, and this is around September. So that's a really good area. So now that's down here. This new sweet spot would be 105, and put 40% of budget there. One below that at $1, 30%, at 90 cents, 20 cents, and way at the bottom here at 57 cents. Put 10% of the budget in there, and that should help get some really good deals. I expect FTM to bounce back up again. It's a fantastic protocol. So we'll take a look at some more charts and see. Here's the detail on the total value locked. You can see the graph here. I put a line here. This was back in March the 3rd. TVL was still really strong, up at 12 billion roughly. Now it's only less than half of that. It's 5.84 billion. So it's had a really rough time trending down. It's concerning, but it's still in the top 10 as far as TVL is concerned. It's number 6. 7-day change is down negative 6.39. 1 month change is down negative 10.69. And if you look here, Avalanche is down, but 10% down is a lot. It's on the top 10 is the biggest drop in the on the top 10. And for TVL, it's 5.84 billion market cap to TVL ratio. Still one of the best at 0.51 roughly. So it's concerning that it's losing a TVL faster than the other top 10 chains here. But we'll keep an eye on it. For the heat map, we got, some sell walls up on top at $2, at $1.70, and buy walls at the bottom here, right around $1 to $1.05. You get a pretty big wall there, and down below we get some really light ones, 70 cents here, just below 60 cents, around 55 cents. This one is around 15 cents, and you get some really light ones here, 90 cents, 80 cents, so on. But look at zero 0 cents. Right around there, it's got a huge wall right there. So I'm not sure it'll ever get there, but there are people betting. And again, for high block capital, they don't show, or at least they're not doing FTM at this time, but it shows 0 so far. But I'm sure there are people doing high leverage for 25x to 100x on FTM, but high block doesn't seem to support it yet, so it's empty. And that's it. That's it. I hope you like the new background here with the pretty icy logo. Feel free to smash the like, ring my bell, hit subscribe if you're not or you haven't, and share your thoughts and share my analysis with your friends and family. I would appreciate that. And this is my last video for the day, and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Peace.